How to fix Fortnite ESP-DIST-001 an error occur while connecting to Epic server error. First step, open run, type the following text ncpa.cpl, click OK. A network page will appear. In this you need to right click the network, disable it and wait for 5 to 10 seconds after enable it. Once enabling, after move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Epic Games Launcher folder. Click saved folder. Delete the web cache. Close it. Next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select change settings. Scroll down and search for Epic Games Launcher and Fortnite. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means click allow another app. Click browse. Go to C drive, program files, Epic Games, Fortnite. You get the Fortnite application. If you go launcher folder, you get the Epic Games application. Click it and add it. Click add in the bottom side and enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Next step, make sure you have enough free space. Check it. Go to C drive and check minimum 10 GB is required. Make sure it. Then move on with next step. Go to Epic Games, click library, click the three dot icon, click manage and click verify files. Wait for some times. It's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Successfully verified. Next step, click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset and click reset now. Click yes and reset it. Thank you.